Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making a candle, a peppermint candle. This candle is very good. You can use it like when you have a stuffy nose, you can just put it on, your nose will clear, or if you just want your room to smell really nice, or your living room, you can put it on. So in this case, to this, what I'm going to use some wax. I'll be needing this kind of stick. You'll see later what I'll be using it for. I'll be using peppermint fragrance. I'll be needing a whisk and a glass bowl to melt my wax, a little spatula, and of course I'll be needing my peppermint. It smells really wonderful. Okay, so we'll get started. Wax is melting. I'm gonna prepare my glass. You can use anything. You can use a cup, you can use a bowl, you can use anything that can handle the heat. So I am just going to prepare my glass here. So obviously I'm gonna use my whisk. So just make sure you put it like right in the middle. So I like to support mine, you know, until I'm actually sure that it's held on. So I'm just gonna give it a little bit of time and then I'll secure it. So I gave it a few minutes and it's actually secure. So this is a kind of little stick. You can use anything just to make sure that your whisk is secure. So I just go ahead and roll this carefully, and then I don't tag on my whisk, otherwise I can pull it out. So I just roll it slowly, gently, until so like this. Now it's ready. It's not gonna wobble, and then it's actually, if I turn it like this, you see it's secure down there. So I'm still waiting for my wax to melt, and then I'll be right back. So my wax is melted. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it into my jar. Now I like to put a little bit of peppermint down here. Put that aside. I'm gonna put my peppermint fragrance. Now, note, please don't put like your fragrance oil when your wax is too hot. You have to check with your wax how is the temperature, what temperature is allowed in order for you to add the fragrance. Okay, so now it's ready. I'm just gonna pour it. Really, this is a fun part for me. Remember to put that whisk steady and make sure it's it doesn't come out once you pour your wax. So now I'm gonna let my candle sit and harden up. So our candle is ready. So this stick really helps to hold my wicks in place and to make it perfect. So this is my candle, my peppermint candle. Now in this candle I used a blend of peppermint essential oil and peppermint fragrance oil. It's up to you whether you want to use just one or you can just blend them. It's perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this. These are small and big, just in case. It's optional. So when you're cutting your whisk, just make sure that you do not touch the candle, otherwise okay. And that's when my small scissor comes in. And that's it, guys. This is our candle. Thanks for watching, guys.